All right, we're gonna start the night with this little break, 3 box random teams hobby. This is everybody with the spot. Good luck to you. That's in order of purchase, not like alphabetical or combined anything. Our combo teams are the Diamondbacks, Rockies, Phillies, Blue Jays, Rays, White Sox, Marlins, Brewers. This is how many times we'll randomize both lists. 4 times. We'll put them here. People first, always. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, you are in this from filler. Filler for jumbo number 1, I believe. Last week. Hops Chrome's been filling at a leisurely pace. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. These are your teams. H-Man. It's so small. H-Man, Braves, Kuntz, Astros, Delosher, Pirates, Rick, Padres, Delosher, Twins, Rays, and White Sox, Blue, Cubs, Weibo, Yankees, Canhawks, Tigers, Rick, Giants, Bucher, Marlins, Brewers, BB Card, Holic, Red Sox, Jazzer, Reds, Canhawks, Angels, Jazzer, Nationals. H-Man to you, Rangers, Weibo, Orioles, Great Gamespeed, Mariners, Go Blue, Royals, Vulcan, Taint Pinch, Phillies and Blue Jays, Weibo, Diamondbacks, and Rockies, Shopper, Dodgers, and A's. Jesus. Okay. Kelly, Mets and Guardians, Blue, Cardinals. 10 seconds ago, the dude's like, I didn't know. I didn't buy into this break. Well, that's why you buy into a filler right there. All right. That's why. Jeez. All right. We need to get some boxes for our break. Clean up the table. Then we'll roll some dice. Oh no, I only have one. What's the other one? What in the hell, Bobby? Copper, did you steal my dice? battery, a loop, Sharpies, a knife, remote, ink. Huh. Um, oh, I found some. 1, 6, 7, 12, 5. This one is also a 5. 1, 7. That one. Six of those are for the mixers. Only 3 left over for something. No proof. I got cameras in here. We got cameras in this room, dude. Of course. Cardinals and Giants in the mixers. It's a Craven. Thank you. There's still good teams left. Why don't I just live stream you in? We can do a FaceTime and I'll just put your voice and picture on the camera of the live stream. What the hell? Backed off of that one real quick. Not like all these people are in my house. I'll tell you what, you can be in charge of all the in person breaks. Nope, 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 no, no, no. I don't want to do that. Move up there. And I have to pay you and Illinois. Illinois is definitely not worth paying. I hear them 0 times a day. K-pop, like Korean pop music. What you're saying? I mean, I don't hear it. Yeah, I do. Oh, oh, she's 14 now. She listens to music though. It's on her earphones, headphones, iPod thingy, things you stick in your ears. So I don't hear it. Nick Castellanos, Skeens. Mickey Gasper? Rule 5 draft from the Yankees. Second baseman. Red Sox, BB Cardaholic. J Ram to 50. Cleveland. Kelly. PCA insert. Corbin Carroll. Ben Rice. They should have done the red rookie thing on these too. Al Tucker. Lugo. Aaron Judge refractor. Nice. Dylan Cruz. Ronald Acuna Jr. 299. Shohei. Jackson Job. Did we even get an auto out of this pack? No. Yes? No? We got shorted. What the chicken, dude? Thanks, Tops. Everyone loves not getting what they're supposed to. Fucking rip off. (2019) Stars and Stripes. That would be fun. Who's in it? Makeup boxes? This one will have 2 Red Sox pitchers drafted in the 187th round. Andres Chaparro. Washington. Jazzer. Ooh. Nito and Orange. Orange Wave. Angels. Kent Hawks. Zach Neto. I 100% guarantee you that they short autos on purpose. Manny Machado. Because they know no one will do anything about it. Freddie Freeman to 150. James Wood. That's it on this one. Alrighty. Thank you guys very much. I appreciate it.